Hello plant people, welcome back to my channel. So yesterday I got this Ikea Socker Greenhouse from this online seller called Ikea for your home, and they are a third-party seller for places where Ikea does not ship. So I was able to source it through them, and this is something which I've been wanting for quite a while, and specifically for my Hoyas and my jewel orchids, the plants which require a bit of humidity, and I also want to display them, so I got this greenhouse. And there is my jewel orchid. I got this more importantly for this one because it was sitting in a very ugly DIY terrarium, and those are my two jewel orchids and two Hoyas there, and a glass of water with some moss and in the interium there. So I got this yesterday and I haven't done much. I just placed a plastic sheet because there are some gaps in between and I want the humidity to retain, and I have to seal that part. So let's see what I can do in the coming days. I'll be making a separate video of this greenhouse after some time. And yeah, and there's my study lamp which I use when there are gloomy days and for bright light. So that's it guys, this is such a cute greenhouse, and I hope you all like this video. If you did, do give it a like, and if you're new to my channel, do consider subscribing for more such planty contents. I'll see you all in my next video. Take care.